Good day, sir. I am Marisa J. Salvacion, 19 years old. I live in CM Recto Avenue, Lipa City. I am currently graduating at Lipa City Public College, where I am taking up a 2-year computer science course, ladderized education program for BSCS. This course is about troubleshooting, encoding, programming, and office practices. Through the courtesy of Ms. Ronaldine Banaag, you have an opening job for data encoder who is knowledgeable in basic computer and troubleshooting, knowledgeable in business writing, with good command and speaking English, and with good human relations. I would like to signify my intention for that position in your company. I choose your company because I believe that I can widen my knowledge. For my qualification, I can capable of troubleshooting hardware and software. I can perform computer maintenance and file data. I can also construct business letters and able to speak and write English and Filipino languages. I have satisfactorily completed my on-the-job training last November 2007 to February 2008 as PC operator at Lipa Agricultural Development Corporation, where it's located at Sabang, Lipa City. In addition, I had also taken my on-the-job training in Video Sync Incorporation or Video City, where it's located at CM Recto Avenue, Lipa City. My duties there consist of troubleshooting hardware and software and encoding work. For further qualification, I have the permission to refer you to Mrs. Malu R. Usaita, Manager of Lipa Agricultural Development Corporation. You can reach her or call her at 756-7104. I hope that my qualification would meet the desired credentials for your vacancy, sir. Thank you.